Dude, it's crazy how much massive tall buildings are in Bangkok. Look at this. You just view from here. It's crazier than like LA. It actually is. The high-rise buildings. What's the building called? This one is called the tall building. 70 floor up high, I think. It feels like New York, I would say. This is like comparable to New York. That looks like Grand Central Park right there. Right, Fen Fen? And then down there you just have like chairs and tables. Different platforms, so chill. Nah, I would say like New York, man. Not Tokyo, New York. New York City wasn't as expensive. Wait, what do you mean? To get up? Nice to see you. Hey, Darrow.
好吵，好吵，好吵，好吵。
That scared me too.
Yeah.
How you doing, Darrow? This is our main objective today before the night markets. 你现在结束了吗？没有啊。我们还要继续直播。Yo, what's up, Rinesh? Didn't have as many built-up urban areas. You can still see the water. Oh, yeah, you mean like that, huh?
Yes! Oh my gosh!
Give this up, Marcus King.
Okay.
All you do is eat, sleep, and shit. Walking around here like you King Tut or somebody.
Hey, Sped. Long time no see, man. I hope you've been good. It's just like in Thailand. What is that iconic building that everybody wants to look at? There's so much going on. Like in New York, you got the Freedom. What is it? Freedom, the 9/11 one, and then they also have Empire State Building, Tokyo. Like you kind of have like the Tokyo Tower-ish or Skytree to look at. Taiwan, you have the Taipei 101. Like what's the equivalent of that in Bangkok? Not the Twin Towers. The one that's what's the equivalent of Bangkok? You're in it? So this is the one for Bangkok? Hotel Labua? I have a sick-ass comparison photos of Tokyo and New York together. I was wondering if you could get a version. Damn, this is crazy. Oh, chat. Guess what? Oh, Daryl, the rooftop is closed for renovation. We're 40 followers on IG away from 20K. Help me get there! 快要2万在 IG 上，谢谢。还剩40个。There's an elephant tower somewhere in Bangkok. What's the elephant tower? You can easily debate people thinking it's New York City skyline. Why are you on your knees? Are you going to propose to?
Waiting. Hello. Yes. What? What is it? What is it?
Can you go back? Can you sit back down?
Why?
I don't have any questions for you.
You sure?
Yeah.
You gonna ask me something?
I don't have anything to ask you.
But what if I went like this?
Oh god. I'm just kidding. It smells great.
Shut up.
很香.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, Daryl says Thailand Creative and Design Center.
Oh, I want to go there. That's actually one of the places I saved on my map. That's for tomorrow. It's like hella fucking hipster. I'm actually disgusted. 连屁股都是香的，真的很香，香死了。Dude, Izio, this is insane, man. Like, I kind of want to stay here until the sunset, but I don't think the sunset's gonna look that good. Also, the sun sets at 6:30 today, so that's 30 more minutes. Yeah. Soy Cowboy, dude. Soy Cowboy's not the same. Like, I remember when Tanker brought me there. That shit was like a fucking movie. And then like we went back to I mean, I guess COVID, but yeah, it's not the same. Should we wait for sunset? What do you think, Fan Fan?
Whatever you want.
And then we go to night market after this.
Oh.
Dude, this place is so open and chill though.
Whoa.
40 minutes till sunset. What do you guys think? Oh. Let me see. I want to run a poll.
Okay.